don't fail because the concept was weak. They're more likely to fail because the execution was sloppy, rushed, or under budgeted. Now, creative gets the credit deservedly, but execution carries the risk. Most marketers treat the creative as the crown jewel, and they think, if we nail the idea, the rest will just fall into place. But that's really a fantasy. I mean, overall, creative isn't expensive. It's a deck. It's a mood board. It's a set of scripts. 1 to 4 writers working on it for a few weeks, delivering a very polished deck, but it's maybe a few thousand in agency fees. That's not where your budget dies. Execution is where the real risk lives for the marketer. It's where everything has to align. I mean, you've got your gear, you've got your talent, you have your crew, then you have permitting and all of your locations or sets. You have hair, wardrobe, meals for the crew, between 10 and 20 people or more over 12 hours, and you have to treat them right, even if no one's forcing you to. You've got 16 by 9, 9 by 16 square, various cut downs. You've got captions, a bunch of different deliverables, file naming conventions, usage rights, talent holding dates, editorial timelines, color sessions, final approvals, platform compliance, brand guidelines, and then the changes, the revisions, the edit feedback chain from hell. Execution is where the plan either holds or collapses. And no one budgets for execution failure. You think you're buying a video, but what you're really buying is risk, trust, and time. Over my career, I've seen 6-figure, even 7-figure budgets torpedoed by the wrong line producer. I've seen all-in agency quotes that didn't include post. I've seen cost savings blow up in reshoots because no one checked the aspect ratios during the tech scout. The campaign wasn't weak, the execution was. If you've ever been mid-campaign and thought, wait, why are we thousands of dollars over budget? Or you've gotten a first look at the edit and said, now why doesn't this look like what we approved, what we agreed to? That's not a creative failure. That's an execution failure. That's someone not anticipating risk, not managing timelines, not protecting the integrity of the idea once money entered the equation. And if you're in-house at a brand, you're not crazy for feeling like your team isn't built for this, because a lot of them aren't. Execution is a different mindset. It's a different muscle. And if your team isn't built for that part of the job, then obviously you're going to have to find someone who is. Because smart brands don't just buy the pitch. They buy the people who can pull it off. They buy producers who protect the work, who know what to cut out and what to never, ever sacrifice. Because creative sells the dream, but execution makes it real.